Aren't you guys a little bit puppy-like?
Yo, what is up, dudes? My name's Andrew and I'm 18 years old, and today for this video I'm gonna go get my dog some food because they kind of ran out of food today. But look at them being all cute, little cute puppies. But yeah, so we're gonna take my bike to the store.
Alright, bye-bye. We'll be back in just a moment, puppies.
Alright, so I live like 2 or 3 blocks away from the store, but I think instead of going down the main street to get to the store, I'm gonna go down the back road just because I'm vlogging and I don't want to die. I'm on my bike. I started today's vlog a little bit too late. There's a big dog over there just roaming. But yeah, I started today's vlog a little bit too late just because I needed to wash clothes. Didn't have any clothes to wear.
Alright.
Right now, go across the road. Don't die. Alright, my dudes. I'm taking an alley because it's easier. I always got to stop to make sure there's no cars. And we good. Let's just go. Alright, so the store we're going to is the dollar store. See that? The dollar store is the best store. And we're here for some dog food. Don't drop the bike. Alright, so now we're gonna go in and get some dog food. Alright, so I'm getting some dog food. I gotta be quiet in here because I don't know but what's the best dog food for dogs? Because I don't know. I usually just get them some of this. Yeah, 50 cents off. You see that? They got the deals here, dollar store. $2.25. Saving 50 cents. It's like $1 something. It's great. Alright, so we're gonna go check out and then I'm gonna go buy a Monster probably. Some type of drink. I don't know. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get outside.
Okay?
Yep, that's it.
A bag?
Yeah. I need a bag. You know I'm gonna put it in my bag.
Okay. 55. Okay.
Alright, thank you. Thank you. Alright, so we're just gonna walk the bike over there to the store to get the Monster. Because going on the bike up the hill isn't really necessary when you can just do this. This is way easier. Just pick it. Nope. Oh gosh. Maybe the hill would have been easier. Who knows? I don't. I just want a Monster.
Hi.
Hello. There's 2. And then 50. Thank you. Oh, nice. You too. So that was very successful. Very simple. Just enough. And so now we go home same way we came so that I don't get hit by a car. But I probably will right up here. This box, there's always a car here even though it never looks like there's going to be a car here. Was there? Nope. Okay, we're good. Now up the alley. See that Taco Mayo over there? That's like my favorite place to go and just use the internet here. Because they have that cool Coke machine. The one that has like 700 flavors. and it's like $2 for a drink. You just get everything you could want in life. This daily vlog thing is going to be a struggle, but it's going to be fun to see if I can challenge myself to actually make a video every day. So far, I'm liking it. I'm liking doing the video in public places too. I just thought I saw a creeper. Creepers aren't real, it's Minecraft. Could have swore though. That's why I looked back in that yard. Because I saw a creeper and they don't even exist. Hello, little puppies. Oh, he coughed. Alright. One moment, please.
Do it inside.
Why?
We need water, don't we?
I mean, we could do it with water.
We need water.
Should we add water to it?
Yeah.
We can just do it with the hose out here. It doesn't need a lot. You just gotta like. Do that. Look, just stir it up first. Look, just use your hand. I'll use my hand.
That's good.
Wait, let me do it to this one.
Alright, dude, she's gonna get out. Watch out.
Oh, now my hand's nasty. No. I don't think the girl that works there gave me the 50% off. 50 cent off. Yeah, she didn't do it. She didn't do it. Sucks. Alright, so that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like rating. Like it, dislike it, I don't care what you do. Comment on the video saying patachulas. I'm going to say spatulas, but I said patachulas. So, I don't know. If you did watch it, comment that so I know you watched it. And you'll be cool. There's no mail. So, yeah, see you guys later.